we're going to discuss about.
వాయిస్ బ్రేక్ అవుతుంది.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay.
There is somewhat disturbance.
For others, there is static.
Yeah, actually, Satish,
ఇప్పుడు ఓకే సార్.
yeah.
So network security group. What does it mean by network security group? Network security group is nothing but group of network security group. Group of network security group. What does it mean by network security group? Network security group. Hello. So generally, if you want to create a virtual machine, what is the hierarchy of creating the virtual machine? What is the hierarchy of creating the virtual machine?
First resource group, virtual network.
సబ్
Then
వర్చువల్ నెట్వర్క్,
Virtual network,
సబ్నెట్,
subnets,
వర్చువల్ మిషన్,
what is mean by resource group? What is mean by resource group?
గ్రూప్ ఆఫ్
Group of
సర్వీసెస్
virtual network.
imaginary network to establish a communication between service.
Communication between the
Service.
in the subnet.
Subnet, a network which divided into multiple networks.
Network is divided into. What is mean by virtual machine?
It is a imaginary computer,
It's an imaginary computer. It's like a
personal computer.
right? So this
Yes.
is hierarchy, right? So then
Actually, Sandeep, your voice is completely breaking.
సమ్ డిఫరెన్స్.
Yeah, is it only for me or Satish for you also?
నాకు కూడా వస్తున్నాయి సేమ్ ఫోన్.
can you hear me now?
Yeah, it's no better.
Now you're getting any disturbance?
No.
నో.
Is it clear now?
Yes, it's clear.
ఎస్
Yeah.
క్లియర్.
So resource group is nothing but group of services. Virtual network is nothing but
Imagine.
Okay, it imaginary to establish a communication between the services. Subnet is nothing but a network which divides into multiple networks, and virtual machine is nothing but imaginary computer. It works like a
Personal computer.
right? Yes,
Yes.
or no?
Yes.
So now
ఎస్
we're discussing about the network security group. Network security group is nothing but group of network security rules, and network security rule is nothing but to allow or disallow the inbound and outbound traffic. So if any services is not able to access, for example, you're not able to access the virtual machine, you're not able to access the database, if you're not able to access any service, or if you're not able to log in into the particular not able to log into the that particular any service, so the two things are there. First, you have to check whether that port is allowed in the network security rule, as well as you have to check in the firewall. Got it? Is it clear? Guys, am I
Yes,
audible?
yes.
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 For
Yes.
example, I'm having the 1,000 missions. In the 1000 missions, I have installed the virtual machine. So if you want to access the, for example, if you want to access the Linux machine, what is the port number I need to add? What is the port number I need to allow?
22.
Port number 22, right?
Yes.
So if I'm having the 1000 missions, if I want to add the port number 22 in each and every mission, how much time it will take?
It will take a lot of time.
For example, if you're having 10,000 missions,
Yeah, it will it will take more time.
Okay.
yes or no?
Yes.
So while creating the virtual
Yes.
mission, if I have the 1000 missions, in the 1000 missions, I'm going to keep under one network security group. If I add the port number in that particular security group, it is going to be applicable for all the services or all the VMs. Got it?
Yes.
So
Yes.
after creating the subnet, you have to create a network security group. So let's create a resource group. First, I'm trying to log in into my portal, portal.azure.com. And I'll just give my mail ID. Click on send the code. So now we have created so now just log into the portal. First, you have to go with the resource groups. I have not deleted these things. You're just keeping like this amount is going to be charged from your account, okay? Is it clear? First, I'm going to create a resource group. What is a resource group? Create a resource group. I'll give the resource group name is Azure Training. Are you able to follow me? Guys, please unmute your audio. Don't mute your audio. Please unmute. Aravind, Satish.
Yeah, yes.
Next, tags, and finally review and create. After creating the resource group, what we need to create?
Virtual network.
Yes, you have to go with the virtual network. I'll go to virtual networks. Create a virtual network. I'm going to select the virtual network name is Azure Training. VNet. Next. Taking the range here. I can take like 10.20. Whatever you can take it, or 100.10.0.0/16. Anything you can take it, or 10.20. I'll take it. And what is the subnet? Azure Training subnet 10.20.1.0/24. Next. Finally, review and validation check is failed. Why it is failed? Yeah, sorry, I have taken the Azure test resource group. You have to take the Azure Training. Okay. Next. I want to create a virtual network without creating the resource group. Can I create? Hello, guys.
Yeah,
Is my
yes.
question clear?
No.
For example, if you want to create a virtual mission without creating the resource group, is it possible?
No.
No,
If
sir.
you want to create any service, definitely you have to create a resource group.
Yes.
You have to use the existing resource group. Okay.
No.
So any questions or any queries regarding the virtual network or subnet or virtual machines?
No.
Satish, what about you?
No, sir. No, sir.
So after creating the virtual network, after creating the subnet, we have to create a virtual machine.
Virtual machine.
Create Azure virtual machine. This is very, very important. You have to select the resource group. What is the resource group?
Azure
Azure
training.
Training. And
Right.
what is the virtual machine name? I'm going to take it like Linux machine.
Linux machine.
I'm taking the region is East US. Okay, I'll just put like no infrastructure redundancy is required, and security type standard, and image. And image, I'm taking the Ubuntu now. Okay, we'll try the different things. I'm taking like 2022 or 2020 is fine. And CPU1, CPU 2 GB RAM. Password and the username is India. Password is sorry. I forgot to tell you that. So this is the regular process, right? Yes or no? Resource group,
Yes.
virtual network, subnet. After that, you have to create a network security group. Got it?
Okay.
You have to go with network security group. And you have to create a network security group. And the resource group name is Azure Training.
Azure training.
And the
Azure
network security
training.
name is Azure Training. NSG network security group. Next, thanks, and finally review on create. Still, you have created the network security group, right?
Yes.
Yes.
I'll go with the virtual missions. Create Azure virtual mission and select the resource group Azure Training, and the virtual mission name is Linux mission.
Linux machine.
And the region East US. Availability zone stand, no infrastructure redundancy required. Security type standard. And here I'm selecting the Ubuntu. And 1 CPU 2 GB RAM. Password, and I'll give the username is India. Password is India @1234556. 1234556. If you want to create a virtual mission, if you want to access the virtual mission, what is the port we need to allow?
Port 22.
Port 22. So generally we are allowing the ports here, right? HTTP, HTTPS, right?
Yes.
So just make it like none here. Next disk. Standard SSD. Next networking. And here you have to create the, already have created Azure Training unit, Azure Training, subnet,
Subnet.
and it is also creating the public app. In the real time, you are making it and none. Okay. You don't have the public app in the real time. So just for the our purpose, you are making the public IP port. Okay. And
Okay.
here you can see the network security groups, right?
Yes.
Here you have to
Yes.
make it like advanced. And here you can see that it is creating the new network security group. So what are the network security group you have created that you had to select here? What is that? Azure training? And
Okay.
Network security.
Is it training us?
next management, next monitoring, disable, next advanced, tags, and finally review and create.
సో ట్యాగ్స్ రియల్ టైమ్ లో ఇస్తాం కానీ ఇక్కడ ఇవ్వం కదా.
What is it?
ట్యాగ్స్ రియల్ టైమ్ లో ఇస్తాం కానీ ఇక్కడ నార్మల్గా ఇవ్వట్లేదు.
చెప్పా కదా ట్యాగ్స్ ఈఎన్వి అంటే డెవ్ అని టెస్ట్ అని ప్రౌడ్ అని
చెప్పారు.
ఎవ్రీ టైం ఇవ్వని అవసరం లేదు కదా. యూ వాంట్ టు నో దట్ వాట్ ఇట్ ఈస్, రైట్?
ఎస్. ఓకే.
మనం కాన్సెప్చువల్ గా వెళ్తా ఉంటాం కదా, అన్ని ఒకేసారి చేయలేం కదా.
ఓకే. ఎస్.
You already know that, right? So what we have to give in the tags.
ఎస్.
So we have created the virtual machine, right? How can we access the virtual machine? How can we access the virtual machine, Linux machine?
By putty.
By using putty.
I'll just take the public IP. I'll go with the
Putty.
Putty.
Arya. Not download. We have to download it. Download. Okay. I'll give the public IP. Click on open. You're not getting anything here, right?
Yes. There you didn't selected port 22.
Yes. We need to add the port. Generally, where we are going to add the port? Networking.
Network security.
Settings. And here you need to add the port. So inbound is there, outbound is there. For just inbound means we're trying to connect, right? So generally here you have to go with and you have to add the port number. But I'm not doing like that, okay? I'm going with network security groups. I'll go with the Azure training network security group. And here you can see the ports, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Inbound security rules. And here you can see that. Inbound. So these are the network security groups. Settings and inbound network security rules. And you have to add, okay? So here, any source, I'm just giving like any source and port range, any destination and services. What's the port number? SSH 22 and priority is 100. I'll explain about these things. Allow any SSH inbound traffic. Okay. So click on it. So we added the 22 port, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Now I'll try to access the virtual machine. I'll go to virtual machines, Linux machine. I'll go with public IP. I'll just copy this public IP. Sorry. I have not while creating again. Okay, I'll just give the copy. I'll just go with that. Okay, got it. Oh, it is not showing. Okay. So I'll give the public IP and click on open. So here you can see the virtual machine, Linux machine, network settings, and here you can see the port numbers. You can see that priority 100, allow any SSH port and port number 22, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
And overview, and we have tried to install the Ubuntu. Means if you add the port number in the network security group, that port is going to be added into your virtual machine. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Over. I'll just copy this public IP. I'll go with the putty. Why is not getting? Yeah, now you can click on
Accept.
That's it.
right click, change settings. Yes, change. Got it.
Yes.
Login India. Password is
India. At that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
now you can able to access it, right?
Yes.
So you know that, right? What is the command to update the Linux machine? What is the command to update the Linux machine? The last session we discussed about the basic Linux commands, right?
Yes.
Yes.
M.
Yes, yes.
Yum. Yes, go ahead. Yum update -1. Got it?
M
So,
update.
-1 sudo yum
M
update -. So this yum is not going to work in the Ubuntu. Got it? In the Ubuntu, if you want to update the place, you replace yum with update. Okay, and with apt. Sudo apt update
Y. In Ubuntu, we need to replace with the A, right? Ym instead of yum, we need to keep apt. Right?
apt.
Okay.
Clear. In this, I'm trying to install the what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to install the Nginx web server. Okay. Sudo su hyphen. Sudo su hyphen means Satish.
Install.
Why are you using the sudo su hyphen?
Install.
Install the any application.
Changing the port from one. We're changing from root directory to from normal user to
root
switch user to super user.
Super user.
Yes.
Apt. So I'm going to install the Nginx apt install. If you want to update directly apt. If you are in the root user, directly you can give like apt update -1. I'm going to install the Nginx apt install. Nginx? Nginx is a web server, okay? What is it?
The web server.
Yeah. Web server. Clear? I'll just go ahead with how to install the Nginx. How to install Nginx. What are the commands?
apt
First, sudo su.
Sudo
Then you have to update. Apt update -y.
app update.
Apt install
Nginx.
ng.
Nginx. Got it?
Okay.
The same command have you given here. Apt install Nginx. Is it clear?
Yes.
After that, I'll just copy the public IP and paste here. Is it getting access here? Is it getting access here?
No.
No.
No. Why? Because it's an HTTP. What is it?
HTTP.
So we need to add the port where you have to add directly. You can add in the network security group. Go with the network security groups. Azure network security group, and here you can add it. For time's sake, I'm adding here. Okay. The Linux mission. Network settings. Okay. Add the inbound network security group. In the place of source, destination, everything is there. Here, what is the port number I want to add?
HTTP.
So what is the HTTP port number?
80.
80. If it is HTTPS, 443. If you're having the SSL certificate, you have to use the HTTPS. For time's sake, what I'm doing here, HTTP, okay? So you can see the difference here. Before, when I created the port number 100, when I'm creating the port number, automatically it is taking as a
110.
110, right? So click on add. These priorities are very important, okay? I'll go with 100 and 110, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Now I'll go with the public IP. Click on. It's taking time. So it is slow. Let's take some time to reflect, okay? Nginx. While you creating the virtual machine, take the 2022. Okay. Ubuntu 22. I am using the 20.
Sandeep bro,
Just tell me.
just refresh that line.
Sorry, I didn't get you.
I think refresh that mission. Refresh that mission. VM.
Refresh. You're asking for the refresh. Okay, I'll do that. I'll give this public IP for you. People try it whether you're getting access or not.
Okay.
Just give the public IP in this port number. You can try it.
No, it's not opening. Sir. The same.
I'll do one thing. Actually, this is making some headache for me.
Nginx, if you see this,
I'll create one more machine, okay?
yes, I'm getting something. Welcome to Nginx.
Yes, exactly. Now we can see here, you're getting like, welcome to.
Nginx.
Is everyone is getting? Can you please try it? Can you please try it?
Yeah, try. It's still loading. No, it is not opening, Sandeep. It is not opening.
Bro. Aravind, for Sharath and Satish, are you getting the page like this?
Yes,
Welcome to
yes,
Nginx.
I'm getting same page. Welcome to Nginx.
What about you, Satish? Aravind, for you?
No.
Okay, you have an issue with you.
Yeah.
Refresh the browser.
Sandeep, opened here. Welcome to Nginx.
You're getting right.
Let me try with another browser. Yeah. Now, if I try with Edge, it is coming.
Switch with the browser, okay?
Yeah.
So, for example, here I'll go with the inbound ports, right? Yes or no? In 110, I have added the 80 port. I'm adding one more port. Add inbound security rule. Any source, any destination. Okay. Guys, observe carefully. And same port number. What is that?
Same port.
HTTP. The place of action, I'll give the deny. Got it? So by default, you're getting the priority 120, right? I'm making it as a 108. Means less than 110. Okay. Deny any HTTP inbound port. I'll make it like that. Are you able to follow me?
Yes.
Yes.
So when I go with the network security rules in 110, I allow the port. In 108, I deny the port. Guys are able to follow me?
Yes.
Yes.
Now I'll try to access it. Don't try it in your normal browser. Try it in the incognito browser.
It will not allow.
You're not getting it, right?
Yes.
You people try it whether you're getting access or not.
Not getting.
Hello.
We are not
Just try
getting.
it and tell me. Hello.
Yes, Sandeep. It's not good.
Not getting.
Why? Because in 110 we added the port number 80, right?
Yes.
Yes.
In 108 we disallowed. When compared to the 110, 108 has the more priority. Got it? This is very, very important.
Okay.
No,
Okay.
less number in priority will have the priority number will have the more value. Got it?
Yes.
Less priority number will have the
More value.
more value.
More.
For example, if I add one more port, add in one port. Source. What is the source? I'll give my only my IP. Okay. what's my IPv4? What's my IPv4? For example, this is my IP, right?
Hmm.
I'll give the source. Instead of star means any, I'll give my IP. Got it? So it is asking the source port range, right? Paste /24. Here I'll give like /0. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes,
Yes,
Sandeep.
yes, Sanjay.
Sorry, actually I got a call. Okay. So source means any source. You can take it like, okay, I have given like source here. So you can give my IP address. What is my IP address here? You can give the IP address range here. Got it? Got it?
Yes.
And you can give my IP. Only I want to give access only for my IP. You can give my IP. Okay, I'll just closing this. Create inbound network port role. IP address means you're given the range of IPs. Got it?
Yes.
Or you can give the IP address range. For example, you want to allow my IP means, so generally I'm telling you 124 root, right? Yes or no? This is the range I can give, like 0/24 like this. Got it? 0/24 means, so whatever the IP from 0 to 125, only this IP. 24 means how many IPs we are allowing? 255, right?
Yeah.
255 means this value can change up to 255. We discussed, right?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
That's the reason it's very important. I told you, right, at the time of we are discussing. My IP. My IP means you can give only my IP is getting access here. Only my IP address 124.123.171.6. Okay. Destination. Any destination. And what is the port number? Same port number. HTTP port number. And we also priority 120. I'm giving like 105. It's clear.
Yes.
Yes.
Means less than 108 I'm giving here now.
Hmm.
Allowing my IP address, click on add. So totally I have created a 3 ports here. In 108, I allow the port for everyone. In 105, I disallow the port for everyone. Sorry, in
No.
110,
No.
I
110.
110 allow
Allowed.
for everyone, any source, any
Yeah.
destination. In 108, I
You
denied the
deny.
port for anyone. In 105,
You allow.
I given access only from this IP address only, they can able to access it. You can see that
Okay. Yes, yes.
from if you
particular
go
your
for the
system.
company, only from that particular server only they can able to log in. If they try to access from outside, they're not able to access. Got it?
Yes.
So why?
Yes.
Because here we are not allowing. Are you able to follow me?
Yes.
Yes.
You can see that I'll give the same IP here. Next question. I'll just copy the public IP. I'll just paste here. Now I can able to access it, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Or else I can access in the incognito also. You people try it in the incognito, whether they're getting access or not.
No, sir.
Why are
Not
not
able to
getting?
access.
I given access only for my.
For your
My
IP
IP
address. You are for your IP address.
Now you got it.
Yes.
Less
Yes, yes.
priority number will have the more value. Got it?
Yes.
So click on the inbound network security rule. Any source, and you can give the particular IP address range and my IP and service tags. You can see like if you want to give only one IP address range or which port number you have to set, you know that, right? 127.10.0/. For example, what is the IP address range I'm taking here? Oh, if it is my IP, for example. One more thing I'll tell you. Control V, right? Yes or no? So I want to give access only for one port because of giving the like, right? If I give like 0/24, how many IPs it is?
250. Right?
56, right? Yes or no? Why?
Yes.
Because this
Yes.
value can change up. If I'm taking the subnet as 24, is the value change from 0 to
256.
means 256 IPs. Got it? Like
Yes.
this 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, right? Means
Yes.
25 is very useful in the real time, okay? 27,
Okay.
28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Got it? So how many IPs it is? You are getting like 256 means 128, right? Yes or no? At that day I discussed like 64, 32, 16,
Yeah.
8,
4,
4,
2.
2. So if I want to allow only one IP address, got it? Okay. So then you can select this. Here you can give the 6 here. Got it? 6 by 32. Any doubts here?
No.
Like this also you can give it.
Okay.
After the session, you revise this, you will get an idea. Got it?
Okay.
02 means one port means 124.126.170.1. Okay, only that number. But I want to allow the 6th number, right? I can select this. Behalf of giving my IP, I can select like, you can give like this also. Are you able to follow me?
Yes.
Yes.
For example, I'll give like 104. Okay. Like this also you can give it. Okay. I'll give like 104. Click on add. IP address range I have given here. Got it? Source, destination, and port number. HTTP. Allow 104. And deleting 105. You want to get the clarity, right? whether it's working on a 104 or 105? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Both are allowed, right?
Hmm.
So I want to 105. You want to do the edit. Inbound port roles, okay. Or you can do edit actually, you can add it here. Or you can go to the network security rules. Here I can delete it. One not 5. There is a delete option here. Inbound network security rules. You can see that 105, right? You can delete it. Any changes I'm doing the network security rule, that is going to be reflect in the line expression.
Sure.
Got it?
Yeah.
In 104, I allowed the IP based on the range, right? Yes or no? Then
Yes.
also I can able to access. If you want to access only one IP means this is a scenario. You people tried whether you're getting access or not?
Hmm.
Sir, no, I'm getting access. Why? Because I allowed only one IP. This is very useful while you are giving the port numbers in the firewall. Okay. The firewall you need not to allow 3 or 4 ports. You have to give only one IP. For example, in case your manager told me that Sandeep had only this IP to get access. My question is clear.
Yes.
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 If your manager told that Sandeep give access only for this IP address, which IP address? 124.120. You give only access this IP address. At that moment, you came to know that you had to give the subnet mask is 32. It's clear, or else you can go with the subnet calculator. Subnet calculator, and you can go with an IP subnet calculator. Subnet calculator.net. This okay. A series or B series. You can give. How many ports we need to add? Only one port, for example, 2 ports. I'm just telling you. You have to take like 31, 32 like this. Any doubts?
No.
Is it clear?
Yes, Sandeep.
It's very important. It's an interview question. For example, Arvind, I want to allow the port number. I have an IP. I want to allow only that particular IP. What is your subnet mask? Okay. How you will take it means simply you can say that the port number, the IP address slash 32.
51.
32, 32. 32 is one IP.
Oh.
31
Okay.
is 2 IPs. Got it?
Yes.
So what is this thing here? Less priority number will have the
More value.
more value. I'll go to the network security groups. Inbound means incoming traffic, outbound means outgoing traffic. Okay. You
Sandeep,
can create add inbound sector rule. Yes, tell me.
sorry to disturb you. Actually, how can we calculate the subnet? Like, if we want to add any 2 IPs, we are taking that 31, right?
You have not gone through the session 1. You go through the session 1 video. Okay.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Any means any IPs. IP address means particular IP address range, and my IP. You know the service tags. Got it? And application security groups. You want to create some application security group. That also you can do. Generally, we don't use it, and you can use the application security group. You can go with application security group. Security groups. So you can use this application security group to configure the network security as natural extension of an application structure. So create an application security group. Azure training. Azure training application security group. Click on next tags and finally review and
Great.
create. Means you want to access that particular service using particular application. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, Sandeep.
Application security group, you can refresh this page, you will get it. You can see that these are common things: settings, properties. Don't have anything. You have the logs, monitoring, alerts. Nothing is there here, right? You can go with virtual machine, Linux machine, networking, inbound network security rules, and here you have to select this application. Got it?
Hmm.
Yes.
And range, same like source, given range, destination. You know the same IP address, service tag, and application. So we have the different ports. Generally, we have like 65,000. For example, if it is an RDP, 3389. If it is an SQL, MS SQL, 140, MySQL, Oracle, Cosmos DB, MongoDB. So you'll get all the ports. Got it? Is it clear? If you want to give a custom port, you can give like custom port also. You can give your own port number by giving the custom. I can give my own port number. Any doubts here?
No.
No.
So generally protocol, you can select any or TCP transmission protocol, user defined protocol, ICMP4. So generally always you have to use the transmission control protocol. And allow and deny. Allow means you are allowing the port, deny means you are denying the port. Priority, you know the right, less number in priority will have the more value.
Morals.
And you have to give the name and description, you can give the description. Any doubts here?
No.
Satish, Sharavi, and Sharad, do you have any questions?
No,
No,
Sandeep.
sir.
So network security group is very, very important. And in real time, if you want to, if you get any access issues, so first you have to check in the network security group. Got it? So whether that port is allowed or not. While allowing, this IP address is very, very important. And you want to get the format means first you have to check already existing network security rules, how they have created. Based on that, you can create your new network security group. Okay. Once you created the virtual machine, once you've done the practice, please delete your resource. Any doubts or any questions here?
No, Sandeep.
Satish, is it clear?
Yes, sir.